1971, the first episode of UBC's Night Owls goes to air. The network's hopes for a late-night hit are riding on the shoulders of the host, a popular Chicago radio announcer.
Good evening, Night Owls. I'm your host, Jack Delroy, and thank you for allowing me into your living rooms for the first of what I hope will be many, many shows. I'd like to thank everyone who helped bring this dream to life, especially my dear mom and dad back in Berwyn, Illinois, who I know are sitting in front of their TV set, big smiles on their faces, watching The Tonight Show with Johnny Carson.
With its entertaining mix of interviews, music captures the heart and its troubles. Jack's sights are set on the coveted late-night crown. Careers. 4 seasons on, and ratings still fail to match Carson. Jack's reputation as perennial also-ran starts to bite. He knows that history remembers only kings. Sir. In October, Madeline makes a special appearance on the show.
Jack and I first met at the Eden Lush when he came backstage and his naked bodies.
Something, ladies and gentlemen.
It is the highest rating episode in Night Owl's history, but still falls a point short of Carson. But the gap between Delroy and Carson continues to widen.
Where the hell is he? Jack, you're on.
Thank you for allowing me into your living rooms once again. We've got an incredible show lined up for you tonight as we celebrate all of the fiendish fun of Halloween. Ooh, hello. That's not music, Gus. That is actually the sound you get when you're tuning your car radio searching for music. So you're not meant to touch it. But we should raise the bar in here a little bit tonight, folks. Any Reggie Jackson fans in here? Knew she was. Now, there's a rumor going... Hey! Whoa! That one went over the fence. Woo!
I don't get...
I guess we're gonna have to raise the bar to Gus's standard. You got it?
I got it.
Gus got it. Sweep, sweep. Oh, that's right. And that is you, our viewer. And it always has been for you.
Love you, Jack.
And Leo, can we please get that woman a Nielsen viewing diary? Come on. Significance then of the Halloween masks.
You see, yes, we use spirits.
Hear these voices of the dead all the time. And then I guess the burning question is, how the hell do you get any sleep? I mean, right?
But just think of my mind like the ham radio, picking up. I'm hearing.
No, it has been for 42 years.
Sometimes the signal gets scrambled.
Don't be upset. I'm just ribbing you.
Something sadness and confusion. This is so.
There's no note.
So much pain.
Thank you, Christu. Wow. Christu. Are we getting another message from Edmund?
No! So much sadness.
It's just our old park hands acting up.
Suit yourself.
Hey. Haig's on next. Pay him no mind. He's all wax, no wick, okay?
And we're back in 5, 4.
We all know you from the Vegas shows, the TV special. Years, it seems you've turned your attention to something a little more, shall we say, philanthropic. You mean of scientific investigation into the paranormal. Ooh, it's a lot of words. We got some... Still carry that check with you, Carr.
Oh, yes.
Get a shot on this. Camera one, 100 grand. How many checks have you signed? You need a drink of water?
All right, thank you.
Mr. Christu's readings then, before we went to break.
Say,
Just the last reading.
yet another.
Minnie is the private nickname for Madeline, my wife.
Very impressive.
What are you talking about?
There are only 3 ways he could have known.
Overestimate their influence.
You must invite me along one of these days. I'd love to know if the rumors are true. The secret handshakes, the orgies, the arcane ceremonies, but...
Circumstances. Any word from Bedford yet?
The switchboard.
I'm not picking up.
Regurgitation.
Anyway, I certainly hope you're going to keep that check handy. The book. Conversations with the Devil by Dr. to challenge more than a few skeptics out there. The young subject of the book wanted to share with you all a clip produced by June's Psi Research Center. Hopefully catch us all up to speed. But how are you? Whoa! Good to meet you.
Jack
I
wants
was
to
very sad when I heard about that. You. It's lonely at first.
Such wise words from one so young, huh?
Lily has been.
And you needn't worry about your TV show.
Thank you for the reassurance. I was beginning to wonder, Gus. See, unpredictable, that's a good thing. That's why we still do live TV. I mean, it's what's gonna help sell your book.
This isn't.
Yeah, everything is fine, sweetie.
10 seconds.
Where exactly
I
does that
call myself.
understand that you have a name for this thing that lives inside of you? Mm-hmm. And why do you call him that? But with June's help, you are able to control him. God! They're off with
PA system? No. It's the same physics as when a soprano hits G.
Cameras, audience, conditions here are.
The people have spoken. And please stay tuned for a live television first as we attempt to commune with the devil. But not. Okay. If we manage to conjure, Earth swallows us whole, is save our fucking show. Okay? So, enough.
It's that Mr. Rig.
Who else knows about Chris too?
Who's scared, Jack? I'm scared. Okay?
Welcome back, everyone. To you both. Godspeed.
This realm to better understand your.
With the trees. Remember?
Lily.
She died. She died. So now you can screw whoever you want.
You ever seen anything like that?
This is unconscionable, Jack.
That was, I mean. We're back. Baby, back! We're back! Yeah, but at the end, I mean, she sounded just like Minnie. You heard
No, don't. You go all screwy.
It got spooked, that's all.
If Minnie were here, she'd be saying, you get out there and...
Positions, people. 10.
They're manipulated by the good doctor to... Back here, please.
You've got 5 minutes. Make them count.
Don't worry, Jack.
TV land. Where there's smoke, there's probably a smoke machine.
When do we begin?
What the hell just happened?
Up
now, the way I remember it.
No, of course not.
Miss Cleo James is standing by to take us out. Heard it. Yeah, right there.
Okay. Speak.
Just go back a few seconds. Okay. Go from there, but very slow, please.
You really think another special appearance from Madeline might actually save your little gab fest?
You're okay.
No. Genius, Jack. Cynical, depraved genius.
Get some help here. How did I get here?
I first met when I... No. Is that another thing you...
You're dead.
Okay, Penelope, now give the Wheel of Wonder a big spin. Go. Last week we had a lady go round for...
Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! Stop!
Please?
Oh, you finally made it, darling. But you had to pay a price.
I never thought that they...
It still does.